Welcome to ElectroTorg. Today we will introduce you to a new CNC machine for bending steel and copper bus bars with a cross-section of up to 32 by 15 mm from ElectroTorg EMC. This is a modern CNC machine that allows you to form arcs, spirals, bends and complex geometric shapes from bus bars in both vertical and horizontal planes. The machine can be integrated into conveyor lines and automate production processes. Main specifications: works with bus bars with a cross-section of up to 32 by 15 mm. Power: 11 kilowatts. Weight: 780 kilograms. Asynchronous knife motor with a power of 5 kilowatts. Includes work tables which can be aligned in a row for material accumulation. Supports bus bar bending in vertical or horizontal planes. Liquid crystal display with a diagonal of 22 inches for convenient operation. Functional capabilities: formation of various parts, from simple bends and arcs to round and rectangular spirals. Production of copper conductive bus bars, winding of copper transformers, and manufacturing of industrial components from alloyed and standard steels. Integration into conveyor lines and interaction with other equipment. Creation and editing of an unlimited number of control programs. Software compensation for gear backlash to ensure maximum manufacturing precision. For what types of parts do you need a CNC machine? Let us know in the comments. Custom manufacturing. The company ElectroTorg EMC develops and manufactures CNC machines according to customer requirements. We can design equipment with specifications tailored to your needs for bending strips and bus bars. You can order a machine with the following features: a kinematic scheme that best suits your production needs. Selection of servo motor power, number of axes and additional working units such as welding unit, punching unit, drilling and milling unit, CNC control of spiral pitch adjustment. Development of equipment with 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, or even 8-dimensional configurations is also possible. Order a customized solution for your production from us. We will create a machine that will unlock new possibilities for your business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and order your CNC machine from ElectroTorg. See you in the next videos.